Oscar, the latest in mission roll-on, roll-off capability. Its modified S-280 shelter and a robotic Westcam MX-15i sensor. Oscar is an industry first in capability and situational awareness.
It just gives us a unique capability that we've never had before.
Let's break it down.
When it comes to true roll-on, roll-off capability, Oscar stands alone. Absolutely nothing in this aircraft has to be modified in order for Oscar to be mission ready.
We could roll the entire system on, plug it into the aircraft, and be ready to take off.
Oscar is specifically designed to load onto the aircraft with ease and lock down into the aircraft's existing dual-rail system. It fits and operates in all models of the C-130. Ready to go in less than 2 hours. Oscar can carry single or multiple sensor payloads up to 750 pounds. This gives you multi-mission capability, which includes persistent ISR.
We could put on other sensors like synthetic aperture radar, hyperspectral imaging sensors, multispectral imaging sensors. We could also, if we needed to, and not have it covert, we could extend the arm and put on a weapon suite and just have it hanging off if we needed to.
The Oscar robotic payload arm is loaded and locked into place. Again, unprecedented roll-on, roll-off capability. The crew aligns the 6,000-pound arm with the C-130's paratroop door. This can be done on the ground or in flight. The MX-15i camera is an original innovation with amazing stability and cutting-edge surveillance. This entire system designed to fit into the existing construction of the aircraft with quickness, ease, and precision. All secured by the aircraft's dual-rail system and locked down on both sides to prevent even the slightest movement. The command shelter is custom designed for any Oscar mission. The seats and all equipment outfitted for in-flight stability and efficiency. The shelter ties together all voice and video communication. It is outfitted to route real-time video signals and necessary power cables. The entire system then integrated into the C-130 classified communication system.
We can interface to a PRC-117 SATCOM radio or any radio on the aircraft and use that as a secure voice or secure data communication.
Secure voice, data, and optimal situational awareness is critical in theater, especially in a hot zone. The crew in flight inside the command shelter, the MX-15i camera operator, the mission commander, the intelligence analyst terror site operator, and, if necessary, a fourth station can be added for weapon deployment, airborne UAV operations, or customized for any mission specific to the customer's need. Flying over the 9/11 Flight 93 crash site memorial, you are looking at surveillance video, real-time, in color, or infrared black and white. The imagery, clear with absolutely no vibration, unmatched stability as high as 10,000 feet. And because of the arm's sleek aerodynamic design, the aircraft flies at optimal performance. Now this is where Oscar outperforms in situational awareness. The mission commander is in flight. And now with the option of the second commander back on the ground in the hangar, both are able to communicate and take control of the arm from the ground or from the air.
We can take the sensor data from the MX-15i. We can take that and pass it on to a ground station. We can interface to a PRC-117 SATCOM radio. We can take the video from the MX-15i. We can pass it down to the person on the ground running the A-gig system, and they can see what we're seeing when we're flying over a target. The commander on the ground, we can take control of the ball. He can see what he wants to look at, and he can do all that from the ground while we're up in the air.
True roll-on, roll-off capability, increased situational awareness, and multi-mission capability. There is only one Oscar.
If you look at this aircraft sitting on the flight line before we take off, it's a cargo 130. You don't know what's on the inside. You take off, now you have a sensor system and a mission suite.
Designed, built and perfected by the Oscar team.
We finished what we started out. This could be used as it is right now. It could go right now.